Hi guys! Tayo ngayon ay magluluto ng ulam. So, dinner ito guys. And then, ang tawag natin dito ay chicken with baby potatoes. So, yung baby potatoes natin nakikita nyo medyo maputik siya kasi tanim namin yan. So, kami ang nagtanim 2 months yan para magkaganyan. Bumili lang kami ng patatas na magulang tapos itinanim namin. So, after 2 months, mayroon na kaming baby potato. So, ang sarap kapag gawa mo, syempre, pag tinanim mo yung mga patatas, ang sarap. So, mayroon akong 3 legs at hiniwa ko nga yun. Nakita nyo, hiniwa ko ng bahagya para manunuot yung sarap. Then, onion, ganyan. Pero, ano ko yan, ipipinuhin ko yan. Kaya, ganyan yung aking pagkahiwa. So, may may tanglad para amoy ang aroma. Mayroon din akong ginger, as in luya. Tapos naglagay rin ako dyan ng kamatis. So, hiniwa-hiwa lang natin ng ganyan. Kamusta na kayo guys? Maraming salamat. Thank you. Shukran. Kamsahamnida sa mga nag-subscribe sa aking channels. So, thank you to all of you. Then, I put in the food processor to make grind. So, we can grind our condiments. I put also a whole garlic, the half I put in the food processor and the half I cook it because I like to eat the garlic. So, I have salt, black pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. So, that's it. Then, I have paprikas. Then, I put also chicken cubes. And then, I have annatto powder. Optional lang yan. Because I like the color. If nag-cook na ba siya, I like the color of my chicken and then olive oil. So, if you don't have olive oil, any kind of oil that you want. Okay? The affordable one. Then, I put in the mixer. Okay, i-blend lang natin siya. Then, if the condiments was smooth, okay, I dip the chicken. I put in the towel because I want the water is removed. Okay? Then, that's it. So, I mix the chicken with my lemon first, then 1/2 lemon, so the smells is gone. Okay, I don't like the smell, so I put lemon. But in the other words, I put also the condiments. Okay, we blend together until marinated. So the taste was very delicious. You have a delicious dinner, organic patatas, potato, and then just eat, mix. Okay, I want to say thank you to all of you today, the subscriber and the new subscriber and my old friend. Thank you so much. I have a pan. I put olive oil in my baking pan, and then I put down my tomato. So that's it. Very easy guys, very easy. So you have easy dinner. I put also olive oil, so much olive oil, but a little only, a little salt. Okay, so that's it. And then the marinated chicken. I have 3 legs, and that's all. Okay, then the other condiments I put in the top of my chicken, so the taste was, if naluto na siya, the taste going down. So the taste is very good. Okay, ngayon lang kayo nakarinig ng English ko, no? So, ganon talaga ang aking mga English. Okay, malayo nang narating ng aking spoken English na yan. So, that's it. Then, my tanglad, and I put chili to taste maanghang, no? Then, I put in the oven at 1 hour. So, marami akong magagawa sa 1 hour na yan. At pagbalik ko, luto na ang aming dinner. So, ayan, luto na ang aming dinner. At excited na ang aking darling. So, that's it. We eat together. Okay, thank you for watching. And mabuhay kayong lahat. Muamwa, so lambot ng aking baby potato and ang aking chicken na nuot hanggang sa loob-looban. Muamwa, chup-chup.